Okay, so today Julia's gonna help me make overnight oats. Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. So, we need to do, we're gonna do 4 cups because you guys eat a lot of these for breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you wanna hold the cup so I can pour it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, hold this, no, this cup. Hold it over here in case it falls. Thank you. So this is 1 cup, right? Oh, that's more than 1 cup. Hold on, it's more than 1 cup. Okay, now pour it in. Just pour it in. There you go. Okay, let's do 1 more. Get your hand out of there, please. I'm glad you washed your hands first, though.
Yeah.
Okay, pour. All right, how many cups is that?
1 cup?
No.
No. 3 cups?
No.
2 cups?
Yes. Okay, pour. How many cups is that?
2 cups?
No.
3 cups?
Yes. This is the last one. Okay, pour. Yay! Okay, so now put your hands out of there, Goose. Okay, so can you put, this is a tablespoon. So Julia, I'll open this and I need you to get out 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. So do 1. Put it in there. Okay, and 2. Okay, thank you. Then we're gonna get crazy, and we're gonna do a tablespoon of cinnamon, right?
Cinnamon.
I know you don't. Pour it in there. Put it in. Thank you. I'll put your finger in there. It's a good thing you're the only ones eating this. We're not serving it to everybody. No, stop licking it. All right, and then this one, we're gonna do 1 heaping spoonful. And this is hemp protein powder, vanilla. Nope, I'm just gonna pour it in. But I want you to mix it up. Can you mix it up? No, use the big spoon.
Oh,
well, whatever. You can use the tablespoon if you want to. So stir it up. Make sure you get it all mixed. Keep mixing. Are you looking at yourself? Are you watching? Be careful so you don't get it out of the bowl, please.
I'm being careful.
Okay, what do you think? You think it's good? Let me do a quick So, stir it around like that. Then, we're going to do some
Can I put it in?
almond milk. So we use the organic almond milk. I have a little bit of this one left, so we're going to use this one first. It's a little tiny bit of this one. I'm going to pour it in here. Okay. Wait, just wait. 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 I know you're excited. I know.
Of course I am excited.
Of course you are. So, we're going to do, throw that away from me, please. We're going to do 3 cups. So, put it, here, I can't see what I'm, so we're going to make it so that this is 1 cup. Okay, can you pour it in there, please? All right, do another one. 2 cups. Okay, 1 more. Uno más. And, all right, pour it in. Okay, so now, can you stir that up for me, please?
Oh, look at that. It looks like
Gently.
Are you gonna put chocolate chips in this?
In the morning.
Oh, why in the morning?
Because I don't put them in at night.
Why don't you like put it in night?
I just don't.
Can you?
Can I put them in at night?
Yeah,
You want me to put them in at night instead?
Yeah.
Why?
Because like usually you don't actually put it at night.
I'm going to do a 4th one.
Why are you gonna do a 4th one?
Because it's looking a little dry.
Yeah.
What do you think? Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just.
Let's see. Huh?
Okay.
Let me get some of the chunks in there, and then you can do the rest. Okay, can you mix it up a little bit more for me? So you can do 1.5 times the liquid, but the kids think that it's too liquidy, so we do less. We do the same amount, just because it seems to appease most of them. And we have children in the background, so welcome to our world. Right, Julia? Don't fling it at me, please. So, okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the fridge for the nighttime, and then in the morning, we're going to heat it up, and I'm going to put some peanut butter in there, and then they'll all get out their bowls, and we'll put a little bit of dark chocolate chips in the bowl, and then what? And then give it to them, and then they eat it, right? Well, we stir it up, because you guys like the chocolate swirl, right? Yes. So that's how we do it.
I like to like just eat the chocolate.
You just like to, she just likes to eat the chocolate and then sugar items. But we usually mix it up so that you have to eat a little bit.
Yeah.
So that's how long it takes to make.
Like this part.
That's how long it takes to make overnight oats. Maybe 5 minutes. Less if you're doing it by yourself and without the assistance of a 6-year-old. But that's okay. She's a very good assistant, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah? All right. Say goodbye.
Bye.